Good morning. Are you an immigrant or someone who cares about immigrants, loves an immigrant? And are you paying attention to this election? In November, Donald Trump is the Republican nominee for president, and he has tied himself to Project 2025, which is a document created by a conservative think tank called the Heritage Foundation. These guys have been trying to stop legal immigration to the United States for a long time, and their great hope is that Donald Trump gets elected and puts this plan into place. So of course, a lot of the attention has been given, and rightly so, to his plan to want to deport 13 million people. But what you might not have noticed is another small little reference in Project 2025 on page 146, where the Heritage Foundation, Republicans, conservatives, and Trump himself claim that the president will have the ability to change the rules so that if a immigration category is oversubscribed, in other words, if they are experiencing backlogs in any particular case type, say citizenship, say H-1Bs, say overseas visa cases, say green cards for your spouse, that the executive branch, USCIS, Homeland Security, can then say, we're going to stop accepting applications until the backlog is cleared. Well, do you know when the backlog is going to be cleared? Never. It's never going to be cleared. So basically what they're saying with that reference on page 146 is that they're going to be able to stop legal immigration to the United States. So if that concerns you, if that worries you, if that makes you wonder, am I going to be able to get my immigration benefit? Am I going to be able to bring my spouse to the United States? Am I going to be able to become a U.S. citizen? You need to talk to U.S. citizens who can vote and ask them to vote against Donald Trump, to pay attention to Project 2025, to educate themselves and educate their neighbors on the serious slowdown and stoppage of legal immigration if Donald Trump is elected.